ओके देन आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं टियर लिस्ट ऑफ सुपर बाइक्स। इसके पहले हम लोगों ने टियर लिस्ट किया था किसका, 300 टू 400 सीसी मोटरसाइकिल का हम लोगों ने टियर लिस्ट किया था। एंड दिस टियर लिस्ट अगेन इट्स ओनली बेस्ड ऑन डिजाइन एंड द बिल्ड क्वालिटी, नॉट ऑन द परफॉर्मेंस, नॉट ऑन कितना कॉस्ट करती है, नथिंग। टियर लिस्ट में जो जो सुपर बाइक्स इंक्लूडेड हैं ये सब सुपर बाइक्स वही हैं जो इंडिया में सेल होती हैं। वी गोना स्टार्ट विथ कावासाकी। तो पहला है आपका निंजा 650। आई लाइक द डिजाइन। The only thing I don't like on this bike is the conventional front suspension. USD होता ना इसके ऊपर, चार चांद लगाता है इस बाइक के ऊपर। What I love about this bike is they added in the digital console LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, LED indicators. The green color with this livery is very nice. Are you serious guys? B tier, ये रहा। Top B tier, not bad. Let's do that. So this is the bike which Papa used to own personally also. This is the Kawasaki Z650. But this is the updated model. Rarely seen this updated model on the road. It's basically the naked version of Ninja 650 with a very similar headlamp as the Z900. If you see this bike na from little bit far, you'll think this is a Z900. It goes to B tier. Let's go. B tier it is. But below the Z650. इसी Z650 का दूसरा अवतार जो है Z650 RS, which is the retro version of Z650. I like this Z900 RS, but a Z650 RS थोड़ी अजीब दिखती है. It has some parts which looks fucking ugly. For example, the grab rail. लग रहा है कोई स्टील की बार लगा के चिपका दी मोड़ मार के. And the headlamp quality and all ना, it doesn't look that great. I think we need one more tier, guys. You know what? C tier ही कर देते हैं इसको. छपरीफाइड actually, छपरीफाइड tier. D tier straight. C tier, टॉप C tier. Z900. इसी का इंतजार था मेरे को. मैं पूरा वीडियो इसी के लिए किया हूं. गंदा छपरीफाई किया है इसको. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ इट हैपेंड ऑल्सो. मेरा रीजन सुनिए. बिकॉज देखो मार्केट में और भी क्या नाम है सुपर बाइक्स हैं. वो है आपकी बेनेली 600. उसको इतना गंदा छपरीफाई नहीं किया है जितना इसको छपरीफाई किया है. एंड इट्स मोर एक्सपेंसिव. Z800 छपरीफाई नहीं हुई. एंड आई लाइक Z800 डिजाइन बेटर देन दिस मोटरसाइकिल. A tier तो है बट आई डोंट केयर. दिस इज गोइंग इनटू छपरीफाइड टियर में जाएगा ये. दिस टियर वाज स्पेशली मेड फॉर Z900. आई एम सॉरी गाइस. आपके ड्रीम बाइक पे थूकने के लिए आई एम सो सॉरी, बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज एज पर माय टियर लिस्ट. इस पे मैं पोल भी नहीं करूंगा.
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट.
नेक्स्ट है इसी का वर्जन. वो है आपका Kawasaki Z900 RS. लुक्स डैम अमेजिंग इवन दो इट्स सोल्ड एट सम क्रेजी एज प्राइसिंग. 19 lakhs ऑन रोड है इसका. इट लुक्स गुड. चैट क्या बोलिए. यू फॉरगॉट द स्प्लेंडर पॉइंटिंग पापा जी. शिट. ओके A tier. आई एम सॉरी गाइस जो S tier सोच रहे थे. A tier टॉप में डाल सकते हैं इसको. सो इज गोना गो A tier और टॉप A tier. Ninja ZX6R, the latest one. It looks good. I like the new headlamp on this. The droopy eyes headlamp. The sports bikes always look good. कुछ भी बना दो. Okay, let's see. A पे डाला है. I think it'll be a top A tier. And I also accept. It'll be top A tier above the RS. ZX10R Ninja. Controversial matter again. I like the old design. Any fucking day. I thought I will start loving this design, but I still don't like it. And this is obviously going to chaprified. It's still a A tier. It's a super sport, so it will be A or S. S if it's in black. But हमारे भारत में इसका गंदा कुचुंबड़ बनाया गया है. तो sorry guys, जिनकी ये ड्रीम बाइक है, फिर से थूकते हुए आपकी ड्रीम बाइक पे. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to do it. जो किए हैं उनको जाके आप पकड़ो. मैं ही कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मेरे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं था. The next bike is Ninja 1000 SX. Yeah, that is one plus point. It does look like old ZX10R. And yes, it is kind of ugly from certain angles. Yes, most people won't like the exhaust on this motorcycle. It's very chonky. All these points I do accept, but I cannot do that to Bulbasaur. तो यहाँ पे पापा फिर से अपना भगवान provided authority use करते हुए इसको S tier में डालेंगे. Screw this list. It's going X tier. Nepotism. Yes, nepotism on top. Next bike है आपका Trident 660. The only problem for me with this bike is very tiny. I have no issue with smaller bikes or very huge bikes or all those, but this is exceptionally tiny. Man, I went to the showroom. I was looking at the new Scramblers, and this was just standing beside them, and I couldn't notice this is like a big bike for which I'll be spending like 10 lakhs or something. It was looking smaller than the current Speed 400 and the Scramblers. Performance wise, yes, good, but design wise, no man. B tier. Thank you guys. Okay, let's go. ठीक है, बढ़िया. नेक्स्ट बाइक बॉयज, नेक्स्ट बाइक. इसी का दूसरा वर्जन ट्राइडेंट का, दैट इज द टाइगर 660. दिस इज ऑल्सो कुछ खास नहीं. एनी डे looks better than the Trident 660 for me. This new console which this Triumph guys have brought in na for putting in their lower segment motorcycles na looks fucking ugly, dude. I don't like that console at all. जो उनका पुराना console था analog console looks so much better. The console on the Speed 400 and the Scrambler looks so better than the consoles on these motorcycles. Damn man, full fight happening between B and C tier man. B 46% and even C has 42%. It will be a lower B tier. Lower B tier. Okay. Triumph Tiger. अब इसकी बहुत सारी variations है, I know that, but they kind of look similar. The Rally Edition looks really good. A tier, okay, it looks good. It's not that bad. Mid A tier कह सकते हैं इसको. Mid A tier. Cool. It's the Triumph Street Triple RS. There's RS, there's R, and then there's Speed Triple also. You know what? Let's keep Speed Triple aside. But the RS and the R looks very similar. The only difference which I don't like in the R version is again the console. But the color scheme that they have come up with the RS na, the red, the green, the yellow. One of the guys in my society has the yellow version of the RS. Oh god, it looks damn amazing in that yellow. S tier क्या 75% goes to S tier. भाई साहब, अच्छे बच्चे लोग, अच्छे पुत्र जियो. But it doesn't go above Ninja 1000. ची, not happening. इसी का भाई है next, the Speed Triple. Bigger engine, little bit more bigger in size, nothing crazy big. Single sided swing arm. Any day a single sided swing arm का दूसरा ही look होता है. The exhaust, yes, doesn't look that great on this. The 765 RS looks much better. The header pipes is very straightforward. यहाँ पे tangled वाले header pipes हैं इस पे. The exhaust any day is looking much better on the 765 RS. This exhaust doesn't look good. But if the RS had a single-sided swing arm, na, A पे 51% है, not bad. I think it will be A tier and it will be above the Tiger. Oh, भाई मेरे को पूछना है Triumph Rocket. This is S tier. This is the ultimate S tier. Go for it. Yeah, पूछना ही नहीं मेरे को इसमें. को तो S tier में डालना है. Humongous. This is like Godzilla of motorcycles. Godzilla versus King Kong करेंगे अभी हम लोग. But this is the Godzilla. It will be above this any days. But not above Bulbasaur. The next bike is the Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The most powerful bobber sold in our country. And it looks amazing. So मैं तो इसको एस टीयर में पटक सकता हूँ. उफ, एस टीयर 52%. लेट्स गो. डाल सकते हैं इसको समवेयर डाउन. वी कैन पुट. नाइस, आई लाइक इट. लेट्स गो. एफ टीयर. लुल, ये तो अलग ही चलना है. ओके, दिस इज नॉट अ बॉनी बट यू गेट द आइडिया. ओके, बॉनी के बहुत सारे लाइनअप्स हैं. यू गेट द आइडिया. बैड के पूरी लाइनअप दिखाएंगे यहाँ पे तो फिर सुबह से शाम हो जाएगा. That's why I'm just showcasing the Triumph Speed Twin, which is more of a modern retro from the Bonnie lineup. Modern retro Bonnies like the Speed Twin kind of on the smaller side, but the Scrambler Bonnie looks damn good. The only Bonnie which I like is the Scrambler, Triumph Scrambler. So A tier, nice. We're gonna go with A tier then. Scrambler from Bonnie lineup will go into the A tier. This bike, right, and give it to you guys. There's no other bike that has the similar road presence which Hayabusa has. There's no other bike. 10 सुपर बाइक खड़ी कर दो और उसमें एक Hayabusa खड़ा कर दो बस. लोग मुड़ के Hayabusa के पास जाएंगे, especially the latest one. For me, the tail section looks so damn sexy. I don't like too big exhaust for any motorcycle, but on this motorcycle, I love the stock exhaust. Old one look kind of bulky, kind of weird from some places, but this one looks like they have perfected Hayabusa. This is S tier, dude. This is double S tier. I'm gonna add one more. For me, this is God tier. North Korea election. Let's go. God tier Hayabusa. So latest motorcycle sold in India right now is the Suzuki V-Storm 800DE. Capable motorcycle, and the colors also looks nice. The cuts on this motorcycle look damn cool. It looks cool, but not something that I'll go goo gaga upon. I don't think so. I'll put it in A tier. We have 42% on B, so it can be a B top tier. Yeah. That makes sense. Going to Chinese market, this is the Moto Morini. Man, I want to do a khata opening of F tier, but this doesn't go in F tier. Actually, in real life, it does look good. This is the only Chinese bike which I like look-wise. Yeah, I know it's a European brand, but it's been bought up by Chinese manufacturers and it's been made in China. Everything is done in China. The Moto Morini X-Cape, it does look good. Chinese know how to market their product. Must दिखनी चाहिए. मस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी होनी चाहिए. अंदर कुछ भी कबाड़ा कुबूड़ू कर दो, दूसरी बात है. रिलायबिलिटी जाए घास चरने. डू वी हैव अ चाइनीज टियर? C tier. Okay, let's see. C for Chinese, it is. You all racist failures. What should I say? C tier. We are gonna open the F tier now. This is called the Moto Moroni Shijimicho. First of all, F tier for the name, and then F tier for whatever this nonsense shit is. I've gone to the showroom. I have tested this motorcycle. इसका build quality इतना घटिया है, दिखने में बहुत अच्छा है. थोड़ी देर बाद इसके नट बोल्ट सब रस्ट मार रहे थे बाहर. This scrambler looks damn freaking ugly. The only good thing is the golden forks. And the headlamp is actually freaking ugly. Man, I am going with F tier. Man, we are doing रिबन काटो या रिबन काटो. रिबन काटने का टाइम आ चुका गाइस. ये शिजिम मिशु जो भी नाम है इसका, इट्स गोइंग इन एफ टीयर. रिबन कट चुका है एफ टीयर का. कांग्रेचुलेशन गाइस. तालियां, जोर जोर से तालियां बजेंगी. latest motorcycle from Honda, the Trans Alp. Very clean looking motorcycle, nothing much going on for it, but it does look good. Especially the white one has a very good presence. I don't think so S tier, but it can be a top A tier for me. You know what? I'm gonna make that change right now. It makes total sense. Rocket is God tier. Okay, let's see. We have A tier. Not bad. Not bad. A tier it is then. Oh, that's God tier. Sorry, my bad. A tier. Okay, next bike from Honda is the Goldwing. Oof. It's basically a luxury car on two wheels, we can say. This one also has some crazy road presence, man. It's massive. Yeah, massive. This one also goes into God tier. We don't have to God tier. Yes. Next from Honda is the Honda Africa Twin, guys. Africa Twin. And there are multiple versions of Africa Twin. It can be a top A tier. I think this is one of the really good looking adventure tourers. Africa Twin S tier, like it, love it. Democracy wins here, Janta wins here. Let's go S tier. Okay. Next, Harley Davidson Pan America. This looks so weird. This bike has such weird vibe from it now that I don't know where to place it. Some weird thing going on with this motorcycle, man. Even the seating position is very weird. The headlamp looks like a refrigerator only in front. The exhaust is so huge. Are you serious? F tier. बी टीयर पे भी 32 है. देख रहा, इवन जनता को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि बाइक जो है अच्छी है, ठीक ठाक है कि बहुत ही खराब है. ओके देन इट इज व्हाट इट इज देन. इट इज पहला है आपका द डुकाटी सुपर स्पोर्ट. बहुत ही कम बिकने वाली डुकाटी मोटरसाइकिल. इट्स अ स्पोर्ट्स टूरर मोटरसाइकिल फ्रॉम द डुकाटी लाइनअप with a V2 engine. This is one of those Ducatis which doesn't look that great. Godly, huh? S tier. Damn. You guys really like it, huh? 47% really S tier, guys? That's an eye opener for Papa. No. Lower S tier. Cool. Hands down for me, the best looking naked motorcycle. The Ducati Street Fighter. Ah! God damn! Not a God tier again, but a top S tier. टॉप एस टीयर में डालना पड़ेगा इसको. आई एम सॉरी बल्बासौर. प्लीज मैन, एस टीयर भर के है. व्हाट द हेल? Somebody call it a RTR copy. The Ducati Desert Sled looks damn amazing from this lineup, but the overall lineup of Ducati Scrambler looks meh. Looks mid for me. F tier, बाप रे बाप. B tier है. I think lower B tier it can be. Lower B tier में पटक दो इसको. Yes. Lower B tier. Yeah, I think that looks good. This list. The Ducati Panigale V4. Okay, listen to my question. If Hayabusa is standing, Rocket is standing, okay, and V4 is standing, who do you think will get more attention? I just want to know. I'm going to make this poll right now. Let's see. This is God tier, no doubt. Don't think from your own perspective. Think from the general public perspective. Poll says Ducati Panigale V4 will grab the most attention. I'll do that then. Public का सुन लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. But I really feel the highest attention grabbing of all three of general public will be Rocket. Next is the Chotu Panigale. That is the Panigale V2. Clean lines, very straightforward. It looks any day better than the Super Sport, like a painting. S tier 66%. Whoa! Win by majority. It can be obviously above the Super Sport, and it is somewhere here. Somewhere mid, yeah. Poster material. Oh, indeed, a poster material. The best looking adventure motorcycle out there. I don't know. Super sport adventure motorcycle. The Ducati Multistrada V4. Then again, there are multiple variations, but the baseline. Lower S tier. Chicken face. Oh, fuck, dude. I never thought about it. Chicken face. Now, when you said that shit, now it looked like a chicken face to me. Fucking God, guys don't like it? किसी को पसंद आ रही है, किसी को दमी पसंद नहीं आ रही है. Let's do a poll. I will put it in top S tier or lower God tier. S tier 51%, man. Damn. I thought people didn't like it, but actually it's S tier, 51%. Multistrada goes to S tier. I feel it will be below Bulbasaur. I have a feeling this one is not S tier, dude. The Super Sport. A tier on top. Nah, not even that. I'm using my veto power here. Thoda sa niche. That makes sense. I'm sorry, guys. Next is the Multistrada V2, little brother of V4. We don't have to vote this. This is A tier. This will be below Multistrada V4, obviously. Obviously above the Tiger in terms of look. Yeah, this makes sense. It will be somewhere here. This one is a disappointment for me. The Ducati Monster, the latest one. It doesn't look like a monster anymore. Purani jo monsters the, I accept they look like a monster. The way the tank was sculpted and everything around it did look like a monster. When I wrote this felt like a KTM, man. So sleek. That way it's good. It's sleek and all, but it doesn't go with the name Monster. It doesn't feel like a monster. It's B for me. B tier. I accept. Into B tier. It will be our Scrambler. It will be above the Triumph 660s. The Big Daddy. Have you seen the chonky tire on this? And the new exhaust. The exhaust looks fucking amazing on this. God tier or S tier? Huh? If the monster is Godzilla, then Diavel, it's King Kong. It is a God tier. Man, God tier also getting full, man. Why don't we have F tier shit? The Ducati Desert X. People like the look or not, but it's a fucking amazing off-road adventure motorcycle. And it looks also amazing. I won't put it God tier, but it has a very good presence for an adventure motorcycle. The rear of this motorcycle doesn't look that great. A tier for 49. Nice. I think it's the top A tier. Top A tier. Yeah, top A tier aram se. Yeah, it's there. S1000 XR. The same S1000 RR, but a tourer, basically. I don't have much experience with the motorcycle. I have not seen it properly. I've seen it once. It did look amazing, but nothing, jaw-dropping. Not really sure, man. I think I'll put it in either low A or B tier. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, B tier. Nice. Okay. XR in B tier. Top B tier aram se, that is. Top B tier aram se. The BMW S1000 RR. Not a God tier. S tier hai. Top S tier hai ye, no doubt. It doesn't have that kind of presence. 2 S1000 RRs in my group and 1 Hayabusa. Any day Hayabusa is there, na, I am goggling over Hayabusa. Maybe personally, but I've seen many others also doing the same. 71% goes for S tier. Is it above Street Fighter? Fuck no, I don't think so. Is it above Bulbasaur? Fuck no, I don't think so. Copy of RS200. Laugh myself. This is C tier, dude. The BMW F900 XR. Nothing again to go goo gaga about. Poll for this. C tier is feeling kind of empty also. It's going C tier, but it is top C tier. Now we come to Aprilia. Aprilia RS660. Jace in my pants. I don't know about you guys, but fucking I love the RS660. The color scheme. The rare of baby RSV4. मेरे को चश्मा उतार के देखना पड़ेगा. I have to take out my चश्मा for this. I'm so sorry. मेरे को उसको अपने ग्लोरी में देखना है, अपने असली ग्लोरी में देखना है. Again, yes, not a God tier, but it is a S tier. God tier 48, S tier is winning. Top S tier. For me, it is top S tier. Since we have a benchmark, now we know where to put the Tuono. The Tuono 660 is basically RS 660, but with lesser fairing and a straight handlebar. It can be a top tier, somewhere above the Super Sport. Next is the Touareg, a very fucking weird looking adventure tourer. It's very blocky. It's like a Lego. C tier, 36%. I think I can go with that. It will go above the Moto Moroni. For me, it is the best looking Super Sport and the best sounding Super Sport. The RS V4. God tier. Both the V4s are on top. The list actually looks good. And Bulbasaur, I think Bulbasaur in a good position.
Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.